வணக்கம். செக் ட்ரங்கேஷன் CHEQUE. This is the spelling for check as per the British English, and the same spelling is followed in India also. In America, as per this American English, it is CHECK. Now we will see what is check truncation. Check truncation in American English is a check clearance system that involves the digitalization of a physical paper check into a substitute electronic form for transmission to the paying bank. Here, data matching and verification is done using digital images for check clearance instead of paper copies. Normal practice was the banks arranged to meet each day at a central location to exchange checks and receive payment in money. This became known as central clearing. This process would take several days as the checks had to be transported to the central clearing location from where they were taken to the payee bank. If the check was dishonored, it would be sent back to the bank where the check was deposited. This is known as the clearing cycle. Checks had to be examined by hand at each stage, which required a large amount of manpower. In the mid 1990s, some countries started to change their laws to allow truncation. The checks would be imaged and a digital representation of the check would be transmitted to the drawee bank and the original checks destroyed. The MICR codes, that is magnetic ink character recognition technology, codes and check details are normally encoded as text in addition to the image. The bank where the check was deposited would typically do the truncation, and this dramatically decreased the time it took to clear a check. Once the check has been turned into a digital document, it can be processed through the banking system just like any other electronic payment. Check truncation system is undertaken by the Reserve Bank of India for quicker check clearance. Check truncation system brings elegance to the whole activity of check processing and clearing and offers numerous benefits to banks like time and cost savings, cost effectiveness, including human resource rationalization, business process reengineering, and enhanced customer service. Check truncation reduces or eliminates the physical movement of paper checks and reduces the time and cost of check clearance. Check truncation also offers the potential reduction in settlement period with the electronic processing of the check payment system. The Reserve Bank of India first implemented this system in National Capital Region, New Delhi, from 1st February 2008 with 10 pilot banks.